Hello guys, Yauheni is here. Right now I'll show you how to remove contact from the Clickfunnel account. It's really simple. Go to the Actionetics contacts, then click on the contact profile. I will pick my as example. Then click on the profile, contact profile, general info. It will open a new window over here with information about the contact, his details. Click edit. Then scroll down of the general information, click archive. And over here is like archive contacts for maybe future email marketing, or let's say you want to completely delete this contact because maybe prospect was so rude, you never want to work with him again. Just click delete contact. Confirm that you want to delete this contact, type delete, and delete. This is how you remove the contacts from Clickfunnel Actionetics account. If you do need any help with pay-per-click advertising, the link is below. If you need a free Google Ads cheat sheet, the link is below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.